It's Sin once again, and I'm back with another video. So if you guys want to see what I'm doing today, make sure you stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright guys, if you've been keeping up with my videos, then you would see in the last couple of videos I've been showing you guys my new embroidery machine. So today I'm going to be threading the machine. I already did a video unboxing and setting it up. So the next step would be to thread, and you guys know what comes after that. I don't even have to tell you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys check it out. Okay, so right here I got the Tajima Sai right here. It's an 8-needle embroidery machine right here. I'm actually going to do a video explaining to you guys why I actually purchased this machine right here, this exact machine. Because I could have got pretty much any machine I wanted, but it was a bunch of reasons why I actually purchased this one. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that video also. All right, so right here I have a bag full of all kinds of threads right here. So if y'all want to see all of the threads that I have, y'all have to check out the video when I showed everything that was in this bag. But I'm just going to take the threads out that I plan to use first and put them on here, which that don't mean I'll be using them first, because I may end up having to switch them depending on designs that I'm doing and stuff like that. But I'm just going to go ahead and take some out and put them on here. All right, so I definitely want to do black, white, and red, and we'll toss a few more in there with it. All right, so I'm pretty sure black and white is probably going to be two of the main threads. So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and just open all these up, and I'm not going to do all the opening them up off camera, but I will be placing them on here and getting ready to thread the machine up. So I'm gonna go ahead, open these up, and then I'll place them onto the machine and let you guys check it out. All right, I'm opening up the last one. All right, so I'm gonna bring y'all around here with me while I put them on here. So the way I'm doing, like the way that this thing is set up, it starts on the right side. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes 5, 6, 7, and 8 would be the first one on the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all of the threads right here. All of the threads. So I'm gonna put white. I don't know if these are the popular colors or the most popular, but that's kind of what I'm thinking. So I'm put white, black. I'm putting them in the order that I think will be most popular for me. Red. Then I'm going to put, about to drop it, blue. Okay, this blue one does not want to fit on here, so I don't know. Do you not go on there, blue, if you don't want to fit? The rest of these have a bigger hole than that one, I guess. Let me see. I don't know if that's gonna go on there. I don't know. And these, although it's crazy because these are the ones that came with this. So I'm just gonna pick a different one. Instead of that blue, I'm gonna just put a different one. I'm gonna put the green one on here. Then I'm gonna go over here with the purple and the yellow. And we're gonna go right here with that gray. And let me see, what other color should I do? This light blue right here, I guess. I'm gonna try this light blue right here. And we're gonna put the light blue on this first space right here. All right, so it comes with these two little things that help you thread. I think one is just the extra one in case you misplace it, because you know, sometimes when you're busy and stuff, you misplace stuff. So basically, I pulled the whole thing out. So basically the thread is kind of wrapped down here, I guess. And you have to pull it out. And what you do is it's a little slit right here, if you can see it. So what you do is you take the thread And I'm doing it over here because I don't have the best camera set up right now. I should have put the thing on the tripod, but hey, the videos will get better. Y'all know I ain't been filming like talking about, but all right, so we got that in there. We got it in there. So now what I do is place it back on this the little stand. And I take the end of it, the opposite end, and I push it down through here. And then as you guys see, it comes up through the top and it pulls that part through just like so. Then I can remove this from here if I can. Okay, remove it from there. And then you lift this thing up right there and go up under this little tension thing right here. And then you go down through here as you go. So you go down through here and then you go around here. And I think around, let me see, through here. And then I think you go under here. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna have to check back in. Once I get it down, I'll show y'all how to do one of the other ones, but I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a minute. All right, t-shirtpreneurs. On this part of the video, I'm sorry, but I think my battery had died. I'm not exactly sure. I think the battery to my wireless mic had died, and I ended up switching to on-camera mic for the last part of the video. But right here, it took me a minute, and while it took me a minute, but I did finally figure out how to thread the machine. And everything, like from what I've been learning with embroidery, when it's something issue that I'm having, like for instance in this video, threading the machine, it's got the arrows on there that tell you exactly what to do. So all you really have to do is follow the arrows on the machine, and it's very simple to do. But I'm new to it. This is the day that the machine came in, which was June the 7th. This video was filmed on June the 7th. As you notice, if you watched my other videos, I had on the same clothes because it was all in the same day. So I'm trying to do everything on here, and because it was so long, to keep the video from being 2 hours long, I kind of cut it up into different parts. And right here, basically what I'm saying is I'm explaining that I cannot see to thread the needle, and the needle threader is broke. And I was just kind of explaining a little bit about how it is to thread the machine, and some of the things that I noticed, just trying to give some tips. But if y'all want me to do another video showing y'all how I actually thread the machine and explaining it, and actually having a better camera angle, because I didn't have it on the tripod and I had it on like a little stand, and it wasn't the best view. But it was late. It was late. I was trying to go ahead and get everything done. I was a little bit excited. So everything, all the filming and stuff didn't come out the best, but it's going to get better as I'm doing more consistent filming and getting more practice in. Because y'all know your girl had kind of cut out for a minute. And I'm just kind of showing the little cheap needle threader that came with the machine that is pretty hard to get to work correctly. I still have yet to get it to work correctly. I ended up ordering more from Amazon, still was unable to get it to work correctly, but this is what your girl is working with. So I'm going to go ahead and end this voiceover because I'm about to come in talking on this part right here, and y'all can see what I say. Y'all, so basically what I was saying before this thing, the battery, I don't know if the battery died or what happened, y'all, but it's supposed to last like 12 hours or something. And I know I haven't been on here that long. But anyway, I broke the needle threader. I basically broke the needle threader, but then when I figured out how to use the needle threader, it was broke and I couldn't use it. So that was one reason why I couldn't thread the needle, and the other reason was because of my eyesight. See, this is something I wish I would have been interested in before I got to where it's a little harder for me to see, but we're gonna work things out. I'm gonna check at Walmart, and I keep having to check the battery. I'm gonna check at Walmart and I'm gonna see if they have a little needle threader thing down there. And if they do, I'm going to get it. If not, I'm going to order one from Amazon. But somehow this week, we're going to try to make things work out. But I appreciate y'all. And I'm going to go ahead and jump off of here. And I will see you guys in another video. Print Squad out.